push and pull. That's kind of it.
Yeah. Okay.
Sound check.
What I'd look for is, let's see if you can achieve a cleaner flow of air. Think about the way your air is moving.
Yeah.
And then shape around that. Can you try that again?
Polar push and pull.
Yeah, it was better airflow, but as a result, you wanted to. I got a sense that you were bracing a bit more
to hold it back.
Hold it back. So the breath management was being done here and not here.
Yeah.
So try to activate abdominals, obliques, have even airflow through the larynx so that the pressure is maintained sort of as being low, but the flow is consistent.
Low pressure but consistent flow.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, because I guess I'm compressing a bit, and that's the
and there is
pressure.
a necessary level of compression required.
Yeah.
But we don't want that compression to move into a constricted state.
Have I got too much air in here? Am I like, should I be doing
you're
it?
not well, you're not going to need a lot of air.
Yeah,
because
that's true,
it's
actually.
Reduced air pressure, right?
Yeah, so I don't need to. Like,
so you don't. This
is
is not about volume. This is about how you're measuring and moving the air.
Yeah.
So that's why we do want the control here. Yeah.
and not constricting around here.
There.
Yeah. Polar push and pull. Was that a bit?
It appeared to be better. How did it feel?
Yeah, it felt a lot better. I felt like, well, this was all being used quite tense, I guess.
Now, with that, I want to shape it a little bit more because you were trying to take your attention away from here, which was good. We kind of lost the shaping of the lyric and what have you. So you've got to still shape the consistent flow while you manage the air pressure.
Polar push and pull.
Yeah. Do more work with your lips. Yeah. Make your lips do more work, and in turn, your tongue's going to come to the party on that as well.
Yeah.
Try it again.
Polar push and pull.
Yeah. Yeah. That was cool. Yeah. Should we try putting that on mic?
Polar push and pull.
Did you grip a bit?
Yeah, I think I was a little bit up there.
Yeah. So remember, less pressure, even flow, shape, and articulate.
Yep.
Use your lips.
Polar push and pull.
I still felt like you wanted to on it, yeah? Allow the air to flow. You want the flow.
Okay.
Yeah? You don't want the pressure.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's the hard thing.
That's the hard bit to balance out, yeah?
Polar push and pull. Oh, yeah. Just let a bit more air
So much better.
Yeah, right. So I don't have to compress it so much.
You don't have to compress it so much, yeah? And did you hear the dynamic just left off the page?
Okay. Polar push and pull.
That was a bit better.
Yeah, I didn't grip. I didn't feel like I gripped.
Yeah, yeah. This is the challenge of it, right? The smoke and mirrors.
Yeah.
Because you imagine putting this on stage and the energy you've got to actually exhibit physically, on stage for performance, but you've got to be managing all of this.
Yeah, and actually not tensing up.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Play with that.
Yeah.
And can I encourage you to play with it on mic? Because
I'll only do it on mic because it's hard to...
Well, you really get to manage it with the mic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's a subconscious, when it's quiet, there's a subconscious pressure on me to make it louder than it needs to be.
And it doesn't need to be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
That was fun.